Today we are looking at the Bosch WIS24141GB washing machine in white. Visit the Cool Kitchen website link in the description below this video for more information. Let the Bosch WIS24141GB integrated washing machine take care of your household laundry needs and deliver a wash day that is both efficient and effective. Easy cleaning, designed to seamlessly integrate into a fitted kitchen. This Bosch washing machine hosts a whole range of features that will clean and care for all of your clothing. With programs that have been optimized to wash woolen garments, delicates as well as white and colored items, you can be assured that whatever you need to clean, their WIS24141GB will be up to the task. Cleaning technology. This washing machine features active water technology, a clever system which ensures that only the exact amount of water required for each wash is used. By making sure that resources aren't being needlessly wasted, their WIS24141GB will help cut down on your utility bills and save you money. Easy to use thanks to a straightforward button and dial control panel. Keep laundry days in your home simple with the Bosch WIS24141GB integrated washing machine. Click on the Cool Kitchen website link in the description below this video for more information and to get the cheapest price for this appliance.